Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a few more bags to come in. So we'll take a look at them. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is my long lost pen. I had to call, no, not call, but I had to contact Amazon because they said that they had delivered this and they didn't. And you have to keep contacting them. They'll say give it 24 hours, go to the neighbors and all that. But anyway, let's see what's in here. So they finally just went ahead and replaced it. Let me see. No, this isn't the one, because the one that I was talking about. So I did order this one from Amazon, but this is a different one. I think this was on sale. And then I like this color. I thought it was really pretty. It's almost it's kind of like this yellowish green. It's really pretty. And so I thought I would pick this up and I would share that. And I think this is the aluminum one. Well, I don't know. Feels kind of metal. I don't know. But that is it. I was trying to see if it's on here somewhere. Alright. So that's that. And then, so let's see if this is the one. I don't think so. I don't know what this is. I hope this isn't like our hair products or something. Alright, let's see. Oh, no. Alright. So I got a Retro 51 pen in a grab bag, like a mystery box type of thing. It was a clearance type of thing, and I really like it. It's a rollerball pen. I do like rollerball pens, and so this came up in my feed because when I was looking at how much that particular pen was worth, this one showed up, and I was like, oh, that's pretty. And so I think this was actually on sale. It was like $30 or something. So I picked this up, and I thought it was, a good thing because I'm in the medical field, so I thought it was pretty. So, and kind of neat to have. So I picked this one up. Let's see if we can open this. Let's show you what this looks like. I do like their packaging. It's unique. Sorry about all the rustling. Okay. Alright. And then, here we go. It kind of comes with its own stand. I have used that little stand for storing it. And isn't that cute? It's a pretty heavy pen. So I thought that was interesting. They have one, I saw another one that I thought was really interesting, but it's like $60, but it's got a jukebox design. It's really cute. Oh, and then there's one that's the Apollo spacecraft, but I want to say it's like over $100. I probably won't be getting that one, but I thought that was cute. All right, and then here we go. So I thought I would share that. All right, and then let's see what's in this one. I can't even tell who this one is from, so let's see. this is something you want to see. Atlas Stationers. Oh, this is that one. So, kind of excited to see this one. That's nice. All right. Oh, speaking of, I forgot that they had some. I responded to an email, like always, and I want to say, oh yes. So this is the one that was, they had a flash sale. And so the things that was on sale, you took an extra 40% off. And so that is how I ended up with this. Because, you know, these pens are expensive. But I ended up getting this pen and these two pens with free shipping and all that. All three of these cost like $107, which, you know, that's expensive for pens, but that's actually a pretty good deal. And so we will take a look at these two first. So I thought that these are cute. One of these was on, no, I think both of these were on sale, but the other one of them you couldn't use the extra coupon on, but it was like $24, and then the other one I think it was like $30 something, and then with the coupon it came down to $19. So, oh, that's pretty. Though, you know, when you order stuff online, you can't really get a good feel for it, but this is pretty. I love that kind of blue. I am very happy with this purchase. That is pretty. All right, and I'll see if I can link it below. They may even have some more left. Isn't that pretty? All right, so let's put that back in there. And then we'll put this one back in here. And then we'll take a look at this one. All right, I'm trying to hurry. Here we go. Let's take a look. Did I show you? All right. Oh, yeah, that's nice. But I like the blue one better. Let's see. It's nice. But yeah, I like the blue one better. I wonder what was the huge difference in price. Maybe it was different times of release or something. Because this one, in my opinion, looks a lot like that one. So, yeah. All right. So that's those two. Okay. And then, oh, we're not even in frame. Okay. And then let's take a look at this one. I don't have one like one of this brand. So, I'm kind of excited to see it, to try it. Okay. So, here we go. Ooh, pretty. So we got, all right, this is just warranty. All right, and so the converter is not in it. It's sitting beside it. And this is kind of cheap packaging, you know. It's not anything nice. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything under here. Nope. So with this one, you don't, apparently you don't get any ink cartridges. So I don't know a whole lot about this brand. Maybe this is their entry level pen. I don't know. But I saw it online and I thought it was interesting. And I wanted to try it. Especially since it was marked down a lot. I want to say this was like $200 and it was marked down to like 89 or something like that. And then it was extra 40% off. So I paid like 60 something dollars for this pen during the flash sale. It's really pretty. It's interesting. It really is. All right. Let's see. I saw somebody review this and they said, now this person was a person that, knows a lot about fountain pens. And he said over time, I want to say it was over a couple of years or something, but over time this came off and he knew how to fix it. I'm like, I saw that review after I had bought this because I'm like, if that happened to me, I would freak out. But he knew how to fix it. What is going on here? Oh, okay. All right. I just had a crazy moment. I remember now. This is magnetic. I'm trying to tear the pen up. Okay, so I am just trying to twist it. And it's magnetic. Duh. All right, so this is the first pen I have that does that. Very nice. And then it kind of just, you get it anywhere close and it just kind of pulls it. All right. Let's take a look. The nib. Very nice. Ooh, that's tiny. And then this is all smooth. It didn't feel like it has like a little dip at the end or a little flared end or anything. Let's see. See what this looks like. Yeah. And so I think I know exactly what ink I want to put in this. I got some diamine ink that I want to put in there. So that's that. This is pretty. So I am excited to try to start using this one. All right, that is all I had. Oh no, it's not. So I'm just gonna open this really quick. This is my monthly kit. We'll look at this really fast. Okay, we got December. They got different packaging. Usually, they have the brand and all of that, and this packaging is taller. But let's see. Oops. All right, it's getting the end of the year, y'all. So that's interesting that they would go with these colors for December. Well, I guess, and they push you in the mind of winter, I guess. Very nice. I like it. She likes these primary colors, and I do too. But pretty much all of her kits, you can kind of like, from what I can see, you can kind of like interchange them. They she kind of has a lot of the same color scheme, which I don't mind. I'm just saying. All right, so that is my Elle Studio kit, and this is my haul, and I got something new to play with. All right. Oh, you know, maybe that Amazon pen that I was complaining about will come tomorrow, because I really thought that I got a message saying it was going to come today. I hope it didn't get lost in the mail again. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.